Ready to improve your English skills?
Let's learn together with Daily English Flow.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to have you here with us today.
I'm really happy you're listening right now.
Yes, whether you're walking, cooking, or just relaxing, welcome.
Anna, how are you today?
I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I had a quiet morning, and I made a big cup of tea.
Oh, that sounds so nice. I had a busy morning, but now I feel good. Whew.
I'm glad to hear that, Luwis.
So, Anna, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is really exciting, I think. We're talking about small habits that can change your English in 30 days.
Oh, wow. 30 days. That's only 1 month.
Exactly. Just 1 month of small, simple actions every day.
I like that idea. I always think I need to study for hours to improve.
That's a very common feeling, Luwis. But today, we're going to show that small steps work really well.
I can't wait to learn more.
But first, can we ask you something?
Yes, we want to ask our listeners a small favor.
If you enjoy Daily English Flow, please like this video.
It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now.
It's free, and you get a new English lesson every week.
You can also share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Think about it. You and your friend can practice together.
That's a wonderful idea, actually.
See, sharing is already a good English habit.
I love that, Luwis. Okay, let's start with our first section. Today's vocabulary word is habit. A habit is something you do regularly, almost without thinking. For example, I have a habit of drinking tea every morning. Another example, he has a habit of reading before bed.
Oh, I think I have a habit too. I have a habit of check my phone when I wake up. Good try, Lewis. But we say checking, not check.
I have a habit of checking my phone when I wake up.
Right. Checking. I have a habit of checking my phone when I wake up.
Perfect, that's exactly right.
I see. Habit of, and then the verb with ing.
Yes, exactly. Good observation. So our first tip today is start with one small English habit. Just one habit is enough to begin.
Just one?
Yes, just one. For example, listen to 5 minutes of English every morning.
Oh, 5 minutes. That feels easy.
That's the point. It should feel easy. When something feels easy, you actually do it.
That makes a lot of sense.
And the key word here is consistent. Today's vocabulary word is consistent. Consistent means you do something every day without stopping. For example, she is consistent with her English practice. Another example, if you are consistent, you will see progress.
Okay, let me try. I want to be consistent to my listening practice.
Almost perfect. We say consistent with, not consistent to. I want to be consistent with my listening practice.
Oh, consistent with. Okay, I'll remember that.
You're doing great, Luwis. So to recap, start with one small habit and be consistent with it.
One habit, every day, consistently.
Exactly right. Now let's move to our second tip. This one is about your daily routine.
Routine. I know this word.
Great. Tell me what it means.
A routine is the things you do every day in the same order.
That's a perfect definition, Lewis.
Thank you. I'm learning.
The tip is connect your English practice to your existing routine.
What does that mean exactly?
It means find something you already do every day. Then add a small English activity to it.
Oh, I think I understand. Like, I already make coffee every morning.
Yes, exactly. So while you make coffee, you can listen to English.
So I connect English to my coffee time. Perfect, you've got it.
This is called habit stacking, putting a new habit next to an old one.
Oh, that's a smart idea. I try to practice every day, but I always forget.
That's very honest and very common. When you connect English to something you already do, you won't forget.
Because I never forget my coffee.
Exactly, and that's very important.
Okay, so I try to practice every day with my morning coffee.
I love that plan. And here's a useful phrase for talking about your habits. We say, I try to practice every day.
I try to practice every day.
Good. Notice, I try to is honest and natural. It shows effort, not perfection.
Oh, that's important. Because I'm not perfect every day.
Nobody is, and that's completely okay. The goal is to try, not to be perfect.
That makes me feel much better, actually.
Good, because that's our message today. So, to recap, connect English practice to something in your daily routine.
Yes, habit stacking. New habit plus old habit.
Beautifully said. Okay, our third tip is about staying motivated.
Motivation is hard for me sometimes.
It's hard for everyone, Lewis. Don't worry.
Really?
Really. Even advanced learners have days when they don't feel motivated.
Okay, that makes me feel normal.
You are very normal. So the third tip is track your progress, even in small ways.
Track. What does that mean here?
Great question. To track your progress means to notice and record your small improvements. For example, write down one new word every day in a notebook.
Oh, I can do that.
After 30 days, you have 30 new words.
Wow, 30 words in 1 month.
And you can look back and say, I learned all of these.
That would feel really good.
Yes, and that good feeling gives you more motivation.
It's like a reward.
Exactly like a reward. Today's vocabulary word is progress. Progress means moving forward, getting better slowly over time. For example, I can see my progress in English this month. Another example, every small step is progress.
Let me try. I feel happy when I see my progress.
That's a perfect sentence, Lewis.
Really?
Really, no correction needed.
Wow, okay.
And here's another key phrase for today. When learning feels difficult, you can say, it takes time, but it works.
It takes time, but it works.
Yes, that phrase is powerful because it's true. Learning English is not fast,
No, it's definitely not fast.
but every day you are improving,
Even when we don't feel it.
especially when you don't feel it. And one more important expression, don't give up.
Don't give up.
And also, take it one step at a time.
Take it one step at a time. I really like that one.
Me too. It means don't try to do everything at once. Just focus on the next small step.
One step, then another step, then another.
And before you know it, you've come a long way.
That's really encouraging, Anna.
It's meant to be. So to recap tip 3, track your progress, use positive phrases, and don't give up.
Don't give up. Take it one step at a time, and it takes time, but it works.
You remembered all of them.
I'm consistent with my listening.
You really are. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's do it.
Luwis, can you tell me the first tip?
Yes. Start with one small habit and be consistent with it.
Perfect. And the second tip?
Connect your English practice to something you already do every day. Habit stacking. New habit plus old habit.
Excellent. I'm impressed. And the third tip?
Track your progress, even in small ways. And remember, it takes time, but it works.
That is a beautiful summary, Luwis.
Thank you. I tried my best.
And the vocabulary words today were habit, consistent, routine, and progress.
Habit, consistent, routine, progress.
Say them out loud, everyone. Those are important words.
Yes, practice them after this episode.
Now, before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
We love reading your comments.
Here is today's question. What is one small English habit you want to start this week?
It can be something very small. Even 5 minutes counts.
Write your answer in the comments below, in English.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just try.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
And if this episode helped you, please give us a thumbs up.
It really helps other learners find our channel.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We have new episodes every week.
Share this episode with one friend who is learning English.
One friend. That's all.
You might be the reason they improve their English.
That's a great habit too, sharing good content.
It really is.
Okay, I think that's everything for today.
It is. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
We really appreciate you spending this time with us.
Remember, small habits every day consistently.
Don't give up.
Take it one step at a time.
And it takes time, but it works.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep going. You're doing amazing.
Bye.